All right, I just finished doing the alignment on my 2020 GT500. This is a base car. I did add the carbon fiber track pack springs to the front and rear, and I found about 1/4 of an inch drop at the front and about 1/2 of an inch to the rear. I never did check the alignment, the toe, let's see whether it was toe in, toe out at the front, or the camber settings, but after doing the springs, I found that I was at -7/8 of a degree on the passenger side and -1 1/4 degrees on the driver's side. This is using a Longacre caster camber gauge, which I have over here. Great tool, man. Anyway, so at -7/8, -1 1/4, I decided, hey, I'm gonna stick with that -1 1/4, go with both sides. So I made the change to the passenger side to get that side to -1 1/4 as well. I do have the factory camber plates installed. Made it a little bit easier. Were I to do it again, I would probably open the slot up just a hair on the plates and lubricate them. They don't move as easy as the typical aftermarket plate. It's a little bit of a challenge to get them to work right, but once they do, they move just like everything else. So as far as toe, normally I'll string my cars up. You see I got some conduit in the front. I have conduit in the rear as well. And what I like to do is pick a number. In this case, it was 80 inches of spread between the lines. So on the conduit from one side to the other side is 80 inches, both front and rear. And then what I'll do is measure from the string line to the hub, or in this case, because I believe it's pretty accurate, the string line to the face of the center cap, right in the center of the cap. So I did the same thing front and rear at 80 inches, and what you end up with, and it didn't work out this way in the GT350, was about 3 1/16 from the line to the cap, front and rear. So that would be all 4 corners. And you know the lines are parallel, they're equally spaced, and you can check for toe and see if you've got toe in or toe out. I did take a look at the rear and saw that as far as toe, I was about 1/8 inch of total toe in. So I was getting, for example, 1 3/4 at the rear, 1 13/16 at the front. So you've got a bigger dimension at the front. That means that that tire is angled inward on both sides. Had the same thing on both sides. Again, for a total of, the weather finally got nice. Everybody's got their hot rod out. So for a total of 1/8 inch total toe in. At the front, I did not have to touch it. After getting strung up and measuring everything, I found I had 1/16 of an inch total toe in. And that's what I was looking for. The factory spec is like 1/10 of a degree toe out. I went with 1/16 of an inch total toe in. So I've had the car for 5 months, put 1,000 miles on it, driving it home from Missouri to New York. And I've done a bit of work since then. Like I said, it's been about 5 months. I'm gonna get the car down, tie the strings back up, put the conduit away, and drive this fucking thing.